Patiowell 10 feet x 8 feet. Metal storage shed front and back. Triangular parts installation. Before installation begins, make sure you have all the required parts. After we found it, we started to install the front and back triangular parts of the shed. We first placed the 2B1S on 21R and 21L respectively according to the video position and aligned the screw holes of both and fixed them with F2 screws and V2 gasket. Place B2 and B3 on 21R and 21L respectively, paying attention to the orientation of B2 and B3 so that the parts are oriented inward, and then fix them with F2 screws. Snap G/F onto 21R and 21L respectively, paying attention to the orientation of the G/F so that the part is facing downward. Then fix it with F2 screws. Please protect your hands from any sharp edges during the operation. We fixed the assembled 21L and 21R parts on the front and back bars, using a drill to tighten the first screws in the middle first, which can effectively prevent the triangular parts from falling off during the installation process. Fix with B1 spacers and F1 screws in the remaining holes. After the installation is completed, you can gently shake the triangular parts by hand to check if it is fastening. Front and back triangular parts installation are then finished.